guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. I've been wanting to do it for the past 2 weeks, but I just hadn't had any time. But finally it's here and I'm testing out the Naked Ultraviolet palette. I don't know, I've been wanting it for so long on Ulta. Like, I saw it and I was like, no, don't buy it, like don't buy any more makeup, you should save money. But I gave in and I bought it, so today I'm gonna be trying out with you guys and creating this makeup look. It's like very subtle, but I didn't want to do like something like too much with the makeup. So yeah, I hope that you really like this video. I'm gonna tell you everything that I think about the palette and how to work with it. So yeah, if you want to watch more about it, then without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So I'm super excited to test out this palette. I promised myself that I was not gonna buy that much makeup this year, and I feel like I haven't, but I bought this palette and it looks so pretty. Like, I love these shades, like the shimmer one and this one that's called Lucid. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna try to do kind of like foxy eyes with this, with some purple shadows. Let's see how they are, how pigmented, they're easy to apply or not, and just create something with this. Before even starting, I'm gonna apply some primer on both of my eyes. I'm gonna take this one that's kind of like a blending brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Mind Slip and apply it all over my eyelid. This is what I love about Naked palettes, is that they include a mirror, so they're like so versatile and you can take them everywhere because you have a mirror right there with you. I'm gonna take the brush that it comes with the palette and take the shade Hacked. I'm taking the fluffier, I'm using the fluffier side of the brush and just applying it on the outer corner. Now I'm taking this like angle and pointy brush, and I'm gonna take the shade, I think I'm gonna go with the shade Wording right here, and I'm gonna combine it with Optimized, and we're gonna start doing like those foxy eyes. I think it's kind of hard to work with them, so I'm going to see if applying some setting spray will help them a little bit. I feel like you can barely see it. I don't know. It's like they look so dark on the palette, but over here I feel like you can barely tell. I'm gonna go back with the brush that comes in with the palette and just gonna like blend in those lines, because I think now they're like too sharp. So I just wanted to like bring out that color, and now I'm just gonna like blur them or like blend them. I'm going back with the shade Hacked and Mind Slip and putting it like on top of it. So I did got some fallout over here, so I'm gonna clean it up with some concealer. I'm gonna apply some more of the Hacked and Mindslip on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take the Lucid shade and apply it on that same lower lash line. I don't know if I'm loving this look. I feel like the colors are not that noticeable. They're not that vibrant. They're not, I don't know, there's something about them that I don't fully love. I'm gonna take this yellow liner. This is from Fenty Beauty. This is honestly like one of my favorite color liners. I think Fenty Beauty is doing like a great job with their makeup, and I love these liners. They're like gel kind of, and I'll apply it on my lower lash line to do some contrast. To add some light to the inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to take the shade Trippin' and apply on the inner corner. Okay, this one is a nice shade. I do like it. And since I have lash extensions, I'm only going to apply mascara to my lower lashes, and I'm using the Milk Kush Mascara. And I do have foundation on, but I want to set everything with some powder foundation. This one is from Too Faced. It's the Born This Way foundation, like in powder. And I'm setting everything on so that my face is not oily. For blush, I'm applying the California from Benefit. I'm always like super careful with this one because it gets like way too pink. And for highlighter, I'm using the holographic stick from Milk. And the final touch is some setting spray. This one is from Morphe. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. I haven't found any other one that is like this, because just like the mist is just perfect. And that's it. That's the final look. It's not like too much. I got like used to not wearing that much makeup lately, so I wanted to go with something more like smoky eyes, but not like without being it too much. But I also don't think like the palette helped that much. For my final thoughts, the colors are very pretty. As you can see on the palette, they look so pretty, so vibrant, especially all of the glitter ones. And I don't know if like I should just only apply them with my fingers, because if you know like glittery shades, it's better to apply them with the fingers, just because that way they're more pigmented and you can see the actual color. But I don't know, I honestly expected more from this palette. I thought it was gonna be easier to work with, which is not really that easy to work with. But the colors are very nice. I'm gonna try to play more with them. I did another look with this palette, and it was also kind of hard to make those colors stand out. It's hard to work with, so if you're a beginner with makeup, I would not recommend this one. If you have more experience with it, then go for it, and maybe you can try something more dramatic and to play more with your fingers, like applying all those colors, and it would work better. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope that you really like it, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this palette and what are your thoughts about it. So yeah, I hope to see you on more of my next videos, and if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below. See you on the next one. Bye.